Welcome to Programming for Mechanical Engineering. Today we will embark on an exciting journey through the world of numbers, mathematical functions, and delve into the intricacies of operator precedence. Numbers, as you may know, come in various forms. We have integers, which are whole numbers, and floats, which have decimal points. But numbers alone don't do the magic. We utilize math functions to perform operations on them. For instance, the round function. When we round 3.9, it gives us 4. Simple, isn't it? In the provided references, you'll find a comprehensive compilation of mathematical functions tailored for Python programming. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into operator precedence. Remember the order. Parentheses come first, then exponentiation, followed by multiplication or division, and finally, addition or subtraction. Please try to guess the output of the instruction given in the figure. It's essential to understand this order to solve complex mathematical expressions correctly. Let's look at a few examples. Here's a fun exercise. Try to guess the output of each of these code snippets. Remember the operator precedence. Let's delve into Python variables and explore the augmented assignment operator. In programming, we often assign values to variables. Think of them as containers holding data. But remember, the left-hand side of an assignment is always the variable name. Here, we showcase various variable assignments, demonstrating the allocation of diverse data types, such as integers, floats, and strings. While naming these variables, it's crucial to follow some rules. Use only letters, numbers, and underscores, and never start a variable name with a number. Well, on the left, you'll find correct examples, while the ones on the right are erroneous. Before we conclude, let's touch upon the augmented assignment operator. It's a concise way to perform an operation and assign its result to a variable. For example, instead of saying some value equals some value plus 2, we can simply say some value with plus preceding the equality sign. Neat, right? Before executing this Python snippet on your device, take a moment to predict its output. That's it for today. We covered a lot, and I hope you found it enlightening. Remember to practice, and I'll see you in the next class.